It's 6:30. Guys, we are headed up to one of our favorite shows of the year here in Lebanon, Tennessee, the 2025 Southeastern Truck Nationals. We are en route, but first we got to get coffee. So let's head on down to the gas station. In case you guys were curious where all my monies goes. $373, yikes.
They forced us to drive to T-Dot.
Tiny Tank Taylor?
They forced us to go to T-Dot.
Grill Master.
Oh, really? For the meeting.
Grill Master. This boy right here camps, but only when it's under 30 degrees.
Yeah, that is nice.
We do like 50 degrees, 60 degrees.
Here at Southeastern Truck Nationals, we don't just have show ponies, boys. We're doing repairs. Why'd you break it?
I can't afford an LS.
I told him how to fix it, guys. I told him how to fix it and he didn't like that. So this dude was supposed to get in front of me right before we got to the show, and he goes flying in the left lane, and then I'm like getting ready to do a roller shot for him, and all of a sudden he just dives into the shoulder, and I'm like, what are you doing? Let's go. And I'm like, oh, the truck died. So here we are.
Damn, that one should be a long one.
I thought you were a painter.
Is this magnetized?
I've owned a few of these.
You're saying you have some junkers?
Yeah, I still have junk.
Says the guy with the shiny Camaro right now.
Listen, 1 out of like 20 is, you know.
You're doing better than Matt too.
Okay, sounds good.
So you're on the board. You're already going back on what he said was wrong.
I said could be.
You're supposed to know.
There's you can see there's a
What's going on here?
hole in the diaphragm.
So he's got a stock TBI on this burb. Diaphragm's trash.
I thought I saw a hole in it. Full of shit, man.
It's probably never been out. We're going back together. Are you feeling good about it?
Well, it's either going to be fixed or it's not.
I mean, I guess it can't do any worse unless it doesn't run at all.
How
gonna jinx that one.
You know a guy with a tow truck.
That's true.
Squared
There's
out squared out from the regulator.
Yeah, we're squirting some fuel. One more time. If you don't do it twice, you didn't do it right.
I don't know about that one.
Yeah, that's
But catch on fire this time.
good deal. No, there's no fuel leak in this time.
That sounded like a buck 90 horse. Day 2, Southeastern Truck Nationals. And everybody always asks me, why are you never on your truck on day 2? I don't know. I always leave it for some reason. It's no reason for us to all drive back here when we all live down the damn street. So I'm riding in the green turd. Does this thing have a name? Okay, the green truck. I mean, everybody knows what it is, so I think somebody's getting ice down there. Tyler made it back. That's good. We weren't 100% sure. Turns out we might need some more parts. We might be doing some more wrenching today. So we're getting ready to have another nice day, and I've looked at the weather. It looks beautiful, so very excited, guys. This show was supposed to rain the whole weekend. We have found out today in the Sanders home who runs it. Oof. I am up here unsupervised. I said, hey, there's a truck I like. I need you to talk me out of it. And she changed the subject. So I'm pretty sure that's the all clear. So let's see what we can find. Real clean K10. These are the wheels I need for the Bronco, I think. These are real slick. And it's 4 steel. Nice 77. Always like the turquoise colors. We're on a hunt right now. This is Bert's previous dad, and we're trying to find him his next Bert. We're looking right now, and I like spending other people's money.
It's always fun.
How much budget do I got? 50?
Yeah, the sky's the limit.
Okay. All right, we're on it. I'll tell you, Josh, since I've been at this show, I found out that I need to up my insurance on Barry some more.
I was thinking all right when I had a gas leak. Mine was okay.
Oh, look at this one. I'm pretty sure I videoed this truck last year. This is kind of the little brother of Bert. It's got the spare on the side and everything. I'm a big fan of it if you got an original looking truck. This is what Tater wants right here.
I mean, we literally have one sitting in the field.
I'm gonna start calling you Matt 4.
We could build it.
What's the holdup?
Finance.
It's just paper. Okay, 54 front grille. Obviously on a different kind of chassis. I'm gonna go S10. 90s OBS short bed.
With step side intertwined.
No, with the 3100 sort of fenders. I don't know what the dash is out of. It looks like some sort of 90s Chevy car. They got the strike kit, kind of like I just did on the Bronco. That's fun. Anytime I see a crusty LS swap, I know that Josh is gonna be over there looking at it.
I like it.
You need one of those for yours.
I know. Yeah.
Chilling with his nomies.
My little darker nose.
Oh my gosh. What do you think about this one?
No, it's not.
He votes yes. I dig it. I like the color. Oh, nice interior.
Yeah, it's nice. I like the inside price better. 6,800.
You see the outside price?
Yeah.
Okay, now come check out the inside price.
This is the online price right here.
Sold. 6,800. OBO. Josh is tired of all you boys in your 60s, 62s, frame swapping. Be a man. Fight it.
It rides good.
Sorta.
It does.
That's kind of like
going around a curve.
transgender, isn't it?
Oh, here we go. There's only 2 genders for the next 4 years.
That's right.
We're gonna take that money that we used to support that and fix our roads. Brian Ashley, I'm fully expecting to ride on this for a new aerial bird's eye view in 2026 for Southeastern Truck Nationals. For sale. This could be it, Steph. Believe it or not, y'all, this is not ours. We have a twin in the building. What a crew. They act like they've been out here for 2 days. Well, isn't this just a crew? Somebody told us one time that we needed to quit focusing on cooking and more on the show, so have at it. Are you certified to use this grill?
A lot of us didn't get in the shape that we are in by going hungry. So I'm just helping the cause.
The number one concern in the group text is food, 1A, and then 1B, who's gonna rope off the pavilion. But we can sit in the sun if we're fed, so that's the most important thing. All right, guys, we just finished up at the award ceremony and the raffle. Didn't win anything in the raffle, but that's okay. Hope you guys enjoy the coverage here of Southeastern Truck Nationals 2025. We've had a blast. It looked like it was gonna be bad weather. It turned out to be really nice weather. For July, it could have been a lot hotter, so can't complain. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hang around and see what's coming up next, guys. We got a lot of cool stuff coming this year, so thanks for checking us out. This is Babe Approved Rides.